Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and I just wanted to take a minute to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. April had a quick message for you all too.
Hi everybody, this is April with Firecracker on Two Wheels. Just wanting to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope you enjoy my videos I make for this next year, 2021. Thank you.
So I really wanted to just say thank you to everybody that has subscribed and supported the channel. Going back and looking at this last year, I have uploaded 120 videos. That's 10 a month. I do think I'm going to have to slow down just a little bit next year, and I'm going to work on trying to improve the quality of those videos. So I hope you still enjoy the content. I really appreciate everybody, and I've really grown as a person also. I mean, when you start doing YouTube, it becomes a global thing. I have commenters from India and Europe and Australia, and I've gotten to watch and know other people through their channels that are in Europe, like Gesto and Lane, or Harley Roadshow, or Smitty in Australia, and the Military Biker in Canada, just to name a few. And there's just so many wonderful people out there, and you get to learn so much more about other parts of the world without ever leaving your house by connecting with these people. And I really appreciate the people that I've connected with that were my subs, that I met at Bike Fest and at Eureka, and to comment on every video, and I really appreciate it. Hope you all are doing well and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I have at least one more video to get out this year, so stay tuned and we'll see you in 2021. For all of you that are interested in knowing how you can support the channel more, there is a Patreon page now that starts for as low as $1 a month. I also have a merch store where you can order hats, and there are affiliate links in the descriptions below. If you use those affiliate links, I get a small commission off anything you buy on Amazon, and I really appreciate your support. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, you can check out the content on my channel, and if you dig it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, thank you for your support. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe and keep on riding.